I know that February is literally the shortest month of the year, but holy did this month go by fast. Where did it even go? Like, what even happened in February? What? Also, I don't know about the rest of the country, but it is sickeningly hot right now in Charlotte. Sickeningly. It was like 50 degrees 2 weeks ago, and now it's 80 degrees. I don't even know what's happening. Okay, so this month I had a good variety of products that I really liked. I have some hair products, I have some skincare products, I have some makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop right in. A lot of these products I'm wearing or I used today, so I don't know if that kind of helps or what. But the first thing is a blush, and I am wearing this blush today. It's by the brand Jouer. I got this probably the start of the month. Anyways, I went on a hunt. Actually, I talked about it on Snapchat before Snapchat updated. So that's what happened in February. Snapchat updated to this new, I don't like it anymore. Anyways, the Jouer came out with these blush bouquets, 3 of them. They are so incredibly beautiful. I mean, this packaging is to die for. It's just so elegant and so pretty. But basically, they are blush duos, and there's 2, hence the name blush duo. Colors in each of them. Specifically this one, the color Adore. So I bought Adore, and I think Flirt was the name of the other one that I bought. This one was sold out everywhere. I actually found it on Nordstrom, which is a tip for you guys. If you're ever looking for a makeup product that is just sold out everywhere, Nordstrom usually has it. It's weird. Like, Nordstrom sells MAC, and anytime there's like a crazy MAC release, Nordstrom, oh, it's just, I don't know. It's kind of like my little secret, and I just shared my secret with you guys. But they sell Jouer. This color specifically, this nude blush is so pretty. I am a nude blush fan. I love nude colored blushes. And this one is just so perfect, you guys. I'm wearing the lighter color on the apple of my cheek, and then the darker color kind of back here. And I think it just looks so incredibly pretty. I will say they're a tiny bit more powdery than I was expecting, but they're still a really pretty blush. And then the second favorite product I have was gifted to me by Becca. So I did not buy this, but they do still sell this. They sell it at Ulta and Sephora. I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys, like I always do. But this is their Soft Light Blurring Powder in the color Pink Haze. They sell this in 2 colors. One of them is more of like a bronzy color. This one is the pinky color. So I actually just used this for the first time today, but I'm throwing this in the video because I've filmed a bunch of videos today, and I keep looking at myself, not only in the viewfinder, but also I have a mirror sitting in front of me right here. And I use this to set my under eyes. And I think my under eyes look so smooth and so good. Like, let me see if you guys can see. Like, I think my skin in general looks really good today. Must be the foundation, but my under eyes specifically, like, they just look so bright and awake and smooth and not creasy, and they just look like photoshopped even. And I think it's this product right here. Like, I was a little hesitant at first because it does leave a noticeably pink tint, but I think if you're fair enough, you can definitely get away with it like me. You can also use it to set your whole face, which I haven't done yet, but as an under eye setting, ooh, looks real good. Last makeup product I have is a concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I actually pulled this out of my stash. I've had this, I mean, it's way expired. It's probably like 3 years old. Like, I think I bought this when NARS released this product, which I'm pretty sure was like 2 or 3 years ago. So this is an old product, but it's still really good. I mean, it still works really well. I don't remember loving this product the first time I used it, which is why it hung out in my Alex 9 drawers for a long time. But pulling this back out and using it, I love it, you guys. Like, it is the most smooth yet opaque and creamy. I mean, hence the name Creamy Radiance Concealer. I don't know, but it just leaves your under eyes looking really good. It's full coverage and it doesn't crease. You have to set it. Well, I have to set everything. You have to set it, but it doesn't crease. It looks good. The color is good. Like, I love the Urban Decay Naked Concealer, but the color is way off on that. And sometimes sometimes it makes me look kind of like, it's just not sick, but it has like a really heavy yellow undertone, which turns me off to it. But this, the coloring is perfect. Like, this is the color Vanilla, by the way. Love it. Okay, 2 hair products, and I used both of them today. So the first one is a hair mask. It's by the brand Briogeo. Repair, don't despair. Wait, no. Don't despair, repair. I said it backwards. It's a hair mask. So this is amazing. I've actually heard tons of people talking about this, and I was in the market for a new hair mask, and I figured, you know what, I'm gonna test it out. I typically love the macadamia hair mask, which is sold at Ulta, but I'm always up to try something new. I've never tried anything from this brand before. This is the first thing I've ever tried, and let me tell you, smell good. It has almost like an herbally smell, but like a fresh and clean citrusy, I don't know. It smells really good, and the smell stays in your hair for a while, which is really nice. But it's not the smell that I love. It actually leaves your hair so soft, you guys. So soft. Like, my hair has never felt softer before, and my hair is in a bad spot right now. Like, I need to get it highlighted and trimmed so bad. It's been about a year since I have done anything to my hair, since I have seen a hairstylist. It's been about a year. But as far as highlighting goes, like, it's been a while, you guys. Like, my tips are blonde, but I mean, you can tell. You can look at my grow out here. But so my hair is dying here. Well, you know what I mean. It needs some help. It needs some serious trimming, and this has made it so much more manageable. Like, I made an appointment with the hairstylist 3 weeks from now. Like, I can go 3 more weeks with the help of something like this. But honestly, leaves my hair so soft. I love it so much. The second hair product is a dry shampoo by the brand OGX. OGX actually just released this entire line of styling products. So they have dry shampoos, they have heat protectants, they have hairsprays, they have like fluffy texturizers, is that what they're called? I actually used that today as well. They have just a ton of products they came out with, but I've really been impressed with their dry shampoos. This one is the Coconut Miracle Oil dry shampoo. I'm a tried and true Batiste lover. You guys know that. I will never turn away from my Batiste. But sometimes it's hard to find. They have it at Walgreens sometimes, but something like OGX is everywhere. Target has OGX. Walgreens has OGX. Ulta has OGX. Like, they're everywhere. So they're just a little bit more accessible, and they're a little bit cheaper than Batiste. Not that Batiste is super expensive, but anyways, this is like, it has the same consistency as Batiste, where it's like powdery, and I enjoy powdery dry shampoos because they really soak up the oil, whereas the alcohol-y dry shampoos just give you texture and volume. This actually soaks up the oil, plus it smells like vacation, you guys. It smells like coconut. It smells so good. The skincare product I want to tell you guys about is by the brand Saturday Skin. They sell this at, Sephora. They sell this at Sephora, and this is like an amped up version of the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel, I think is what it's called. I've talked to you guys about it before. But this is basically the same type of product, but it smells good. It has a really nice kind of like papaya, citrusy, kind of fresh scent to it, but it does the same thing. It's an exfoliator, but it's a peeling gel exfoliator. So basically you put it on your clean skin and you roll it around, and it pulls all the gunk out of your pores. It takes all the dry skin, like the first layer of dry skin off your face, and it exfoliates, but it's like a gentle peeling exfoliator. It's disgusting, but amazing all at the same time. And I love it. I love products like this. So Saturday Skin, I'm curious to try more of their stuff, because if I love this product that much, I will probably like more of their products. So definitely worth checking out if you like the Peter Thomas Roth one. I don't know price-wise which one is more expensive, which one is cheaper. I'll link it down below for you guys, but definitely worth checking out. Okay, last but not least, I wanted to tell you guys about a Camille Beckman product. This is kind of like a bonus product because it's gone. I used it all. But I'm getting over the flu right now. I caught the flu for the first time in my life. I can't believe it. And I have to tell you guys, it's awful. Like, the flu is just as bad as everybody makes it seem. I used to think people were totally exaggerating when they had the flu. It's like, there's no way you're gonna be in bed for multiple days. There's no way it's that, like, suck it up, right? No, it's that bad. It is so bad. And I think the worst part of the flu is actually the body aches. Like, my body hurt everywhere. Like, even my teeth were hurting. Like, everything hurt. But the worst part was, like, my back was hurting really bad, and my legs, like my lower legs, kind of like my calf area, hurt so bad. And the only thing I could do to get rid of them was take a bath. And like, I couldn't get comfortable in bed, like no matter which way I laid. Anyways, I would take a bath, a warm bath, and that would help the body aches. And every time I took a bath, I would use a new either bath bomb or bath salt or bath soak. And the best thing I ever used while I was sick is this Camille Beckman Wellness Bath Soak. So all of the Camille Beckman bath soaks are amazing. I love them all. They all leave your bath like oily and your skin just feeling amazing. I will say you have to clean your bathtub afterwards because they leave a ring of like oils. Anyways, but this one, the wellness one, it's Epsom salt and coconut milk home remedy bath salt. This stuff is so good. I mean, it even says soothes sore joints, releases tense muscles, releases congestion and pain. It does all of the above. It has like a mentholy scent to it, and it is absolutely amazing. I happened to have 3 of these and I used all 3 of them. I saved the last packet because I really wanted to have a visual to show you guys. But this is something where I recommend buying some now and like stocking up, because you never know when you're gonna get sick. You never know when you're gonna get the flu, and having something like this on hand just really, really, really helps. I bet you would also be good after, it just smells really good. It smells kind of like Vicks Vapo Rub, you know, the stuff you rub on your, anyways, after a workout also, but really good stuff. All right guys, well those are my February favorites. Can you believe it is March? That means my wedding is like 3 months away. Like 2.5 months away. Holy. Anyways guys, let me know down below what your favorite products were in the month of February so I can check them out if I haven't already. And other than that, thanks for watching and I'll talk to you next time.